Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Workflow Template. This is the second part of the series on how to create and use workflows in Business Central. To create a workflow, in the Tell Me search bar, type workflows and choose the related link. Select New Workflow from Template. Choose the workflow that suits your requirements. In the workflow setup, you will see 3 columns. When event specifies the event that triggers the workflow. On condition specifies the condition that must be met to trigger the workflow. Then response specifies what happens when the workflow is triggered. After customizing your workflow, you can now enable the workflow.